think about us. Yo, this is a Bangladeshi people. Whoa,
Yes.
this is a polite person.
That's a great thing.
It's a great thing, man.
Of course.
Hello, my brother. What's your name?
My name is MD Aminul Islam Alif. And what is your name?
My name is MD Ashikur Rahman. You may call me by Ashik. And how may I call you?
You can call me by my nickname, and that is Alif.
That is
And what do you think about the cultural program and cultural thing of Bangladesh?
Our cultural program and cultural thing are very good because we have a lot of culture. Like in our religion, in our Muslim, we have two cultural programs in a year: Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. We have a lot of fun. After complete 1 month of Ramadan, we enjoy the Eid al-Fitr, and Eid al-Adha is one of the most greatest festival of us because Eid al-Adha we enjoy a lot of things. After completing our whole work within 2 or 3 p.m. we'll go for outside for visit somewhere, and this time is we are enjoying a lot of things.
Yes.
Because in Eid al-Adha, all people are go outside for visit some new places with some new people, and Bangladesh people, all people are enjoying this cultural event. And what do you think about our education system? It's really well or not?
Now, I think about our education system is not so well because there is a lack of some systematical problem. Like if you just see the recent HSC exam,
Yes.
there are almost 48% student got failed in their HSC exam.
Yes.
You can also see that there are the last SSC exam, there are also 32% student got failed in SSC exam. I think there is also so much lack of education and lack of education system of
Yes.
Bangladesh. Now, what do you think about going to abroad or stay in Bangladesh?
I think going abroad is better option for us because Bangladesh suddenly we just see that Buet and some diploma students are protesting for something. It's not well, but because Buet and also Duet, they are one of the most best institute of our best science and technology institute in our country. But there, for some reason, they are come to road. So I hope this legacy of our education system.
Of course.
So I think that go to abroad for our higher study is very great thing for us. What do you think about our good places and good things in our Bangladesh?
Actually, beside the bad things of Bangladesh, there are
Yes.
some also good things in Bangladesh. If you just see, there are too many tourist places in Bangladesh. There are also too many tourists from another country. They
Yeah.
come in Bangladesh for visiting that place. I think that represent our country to another country.
Yes.
If you just see that there are many native people, they don't even know about Bangladesh.
Yes.
That is very bad thing for us. I think so. We just represent our country badly in another country.
Yes.
What do you think? How do you represent our country good in to other countries?
After going to abroad, I represent my country with my well-known behavior and my polite culture, polite behavior. When we go to others country, I just think we just represent our country by our good culture. We just forgot our DSC or our natural running culture. We just forgot all about that. And just focus how to they growing, how to they doing this work, their work, how to they enjoy their festivals. And if you follow them, so it's a good habit. After some time, when they think about us, yo, this is a Bangladeshi people. Whoa,
Yes.
this is a polite person.
That's a great thing.
It's a great thing, man.
Of course.
And what do you think about our tourist places is representing our Bangladesh is really well or not?
Actually, I think our tourist places is well,
Yes.
but when a tourist come to our country for visiting that places,
Yes.
they didn't even get the proper way to go there. Because if they want to go there by proper way, they just face the traffic jam, and that's the great problem of Bangladesh. If you just see, they're just facing the problem of Bangladesh is traffic jam. That is a great problem because there is a lacking of their driving skills and the lackings of our driving system.
Yes.
And also a lot of problem of Bangladesh are so bad for I think so. Now I think that's enough for today.
Yes.
When we meet you, then I will talk to you about
Obviously.
more things next time. Okay,
Okay, see you tomorrow.